Welcome back to the part 2 of this video series on how you can create your YouTube channel as a complete beginner on your phone. In our previous episode, we talked about how you can create a Google account, which is the first step to take while creating a YouTube channel account. In today's lesson, we are going to teach about how you can create the main YouTube channel. If you are still here with me, like this video, subscribe, and share it. And if you have any question, click on the comments and leave your question. I will attend to you. To access the part 1 of this video, I will leave a link in the description, so visit it. More so, I will paste it at the end of this screen. In today's lesson, we will deal properly how you can create the main YouTube channel. So if you are ready, let's dive in. In today's continuation part 2, we are creating the main channel. Let us go and define that Google account we created. Go to your browser and type google.com. This is the initial at the right top corner of the screen. The initial is C. Beside the initial, you will see Google Apps icon. Hit on that apps. Hit on YouTube. This is the new channel we have just created. Tap on the C. How you will appear. Let's tap on the icon. Let's select the picture we are going to use as our avatar. Save as profile picture. Profile picture updated. Create channel. Hit on create channel. The channel has been successfully created. Subscribe, like, and comment, share this video so that when the part 3 that will be released, you will be among the first to be notified. To watch part 1 series of this video on how to create a YouTube channel, click on the video on the screen.